change Subway Surfer map. In this video, I will show you how to change the map on your Subway Surfer. Let's open the app. In Subway Surfer, maps are part of the world tour. The map changes automatically every few weeks when the game updates to a new city. To change the map, you have to go to the App Store, search for Subway Surfer and make sure you have the latest version. Tap Update if you see it. Once updated, open the game and boom, you will be running in a brand new location with new colors, obstacles and backgrounds. That's it. Subway Surfer changes map for you. Just keep your game updated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.